Hey everyone, this is Billy. I'm a co-founder of SkyKey, and today we're going to be walking through United credits, where to find your credits, as well as how to use your credits to reduce the cost of future flights you book. I'm logged into a demo account, so if you want to log into your account to follow along, that's perfectly okay. If you don't have a United account for whatever reason, then we'll also be walking through later on in this video how you can still apply your credits to reduce the cost of your future flights. Okay. If you're logged in, just click this circle with the initials in it and then click View My United. And then we're going to click on Wallet and click on Travel Credits. And you'll see at the bottom of this Wallet section, Travel Credits. I don't have any in this account because it's just a demo account, but you should see your travel credits here. If you don't see your credits for whatever reason, try clicking Search Travel Credits. And we can search for our travel credits using our confirmation number as well as our last name. You can also search by your email, so whatever email you use to book the flight. Perfect. So now that we know where to find our United travel credits, let's see how we can use our credits to save money on our next flight. Just gonna search for a random flight. You can search for whatever flight you're actually trying to take. And then once you're ready, click Find Flights. And for this example, we're just going to select this first flight. And then to apply our credits, we're going to have to click through a couple screens. I'd edit these out, but I always find it helpful to go through the entire process to just know and feel what this process looks like. I guess their site is being a little slow, so apologies for the loading. Okay, we're going to skip all these steps and just get to the section that we're looking for so we can see how to apply our credits. And this is the screen. So once we get to payment, it looks like it's the next screen. Okay, so this should be the screen. Perfect. So when you get to payment information, you'll see a section within it called payment method. This is where you want to select travel credits. So make sure you click travel credits and then scroll down a little bit and you will see the credits that you have available to apply to this flight. If you don't, or if you do not have a United account, then you will want to search for more credits by the confirmation number of the flight that you got savings on, as well as the last name. Or you can also pull in your credits by searching for your email that you used to book the flight that you previously got savings on. So now that we know how to apply the credits, basically what you'll see happen is this $273.40 flight get reduced exactly by the amount of credits that you applied towards this flight. So for example, if we had $100 of credits that we just applied to this flight, the price would no longer be $273.40, it would be $173.40, and we would save $100 on this flight. Hopefully that helps, but if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@theskykey.com. Thanks.